everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Nature Bonds. Today we're going for a visit to the famous St. Matthew's Church, which is in Nathia Gali. So let's start our journey. So I was thinking that I should start it in the car so you can get a great view of our road trip, our mini road trip. Let's go check it out. I don't know why, but I love traveling in a car because it's really fun. Like when you're bored, you just have to do this and your boredom will run away by itself. Let me show you the view. Come on. Actually, there's actually no view from here. Guys, on that side of this road there's a dense forest, and on this side there's like a mountain. Like you can see the mountain, and why do I just love traveling in cars? It feels incredible. So guys, we're here in Nathia Gali and it's so crowded. We literally tried to park as near as the church as possible, but we couldn't find a parking spot near to the church, so we have to walk. Let's go. Well, I'm happy we have to walk. I love walking. Like, look how many cars are. Like, there's a bus, a lot of cars. Guys, there's a full lane of horses coming. Why so many? Oh, I want to touch one of them. Ah, so cute. Wait, let the car go. Let's go. Guys, let's touch this horse. Hello. It's so soft. And it's nice. Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. Okay, yeah, let's go now. Guys, we have finally reached the church. Look! Guys, did you know this church was actually constructed in 1914? And it's made fully out of cedar wood. Isn't that amazing? Yes. Let's go check it out from the inside. High in the embrace of the mountains, where clouds drift low and the wind carries the scent of pine, stands a lonely wooden church. Even a bench to sit on. If you're waiting for your family to come outside and let's go inside. Then before going inside, I'm gonna show you pictures from the outside so you can see the decor of it. Let's go. Let's go. Its dark timbers, weathered by countless winters, rise sharply against the jagged horizon, the spire reaching upward as if to pierce the heavens themselves. The walls creak with age, yet hold firm as through carved not just from wood but from faith itself. The once silent wooden church now heaves with the weight of a gathered crowd. Where once the church felt forgotten, it now feels alive. Its age not a mark of decay, but of endurance. Guys, there was literally nothing at the back of the church. So now we're gonna go inside. We have to take off our shoes because it's the rule. Yes. Come on, let's go. Oof, that was a lot. Falling. Wait, stop. Do you hear that? Exactly. You can hear nothing. Meaning this is really quiet here. Stepping inside the wooden church is like stepping into a sanctuary carved from both nature and devotion. Light pours through narrow stained glass windows, scattering across the walls. The ceiling soars high, an intricate lattice of beams arching like the ribs of a great wooden ship turned upside down. At the front, the altar gleams beneath a cascade of candles. Behind it, a great wooden cross stands tall, its surface polished into a deep golden sheen. OMG, guys, look at the roof. It's amazingly beautiful. Guys, Colonel Hope Waddell is the person who designed this incredible church. The interior of this church is marvelous. Like everything perfectly matches with the church's design itself. Like the dark brown walls, the dark brown benches perfectly polished, making them spotless. It is simple yet profoundly beautiful. Brown, not dull, but alive. The color of earth, of roots, of enduring faith. Guys, I didn't mean to say like. I love visiting historical places like this church and the other ones I showed you in my previous videos, and the officer guest houses, the old ones, because they bring really good aura, and it's unexplainable to tell you how it feels to go there. Guys, Christians from all over the world even come here to worship as well because of its historical importance. And did you know that this church actually opens? You see these? These can open. Right? And this is like sort of a portable church. You can open this church and take it to another spot and put it over there. This was put the same way in 1940. Nothing has been changed here except of the color. Other than the color, everything is the same. That's so awesome. is all from today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. And if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!